this video, I want to talk to you guys about propagation and the best succulents to start with or to have, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm just gonna mention one of my favorite never gotten sick succulents, and or prolific, or just can handle the rain, because we get lots and lots of rain here in Florida. And yes, with help with some drainage in your soil, these succulents can really overcome. So they're growing, so they'll be a little bit difficult to tell. I believe that these are either Sorrento, I'm gonna put the names on the screen just to be sure, or California Sunset. When they're growing, it's kind of hard to tell. Maybe if I had two of them side by side growing, but it's kind of hard to tell right now. But yeah, this is very both of them. So to me, the plants that behave very similar are gonna be the Sorrento plant. I know I'm missing another name on that. California Sunset and Ghost Plant. They behave very similarly, and I'm going to show you where I'd have them and where they've been forever. But these plants are very strong plants. They do very well. Let me show you some that I've just thrown. I literally thrown them on the ground and they just grown on their own. So let me look for that. Some succulents that I take the leaves and I toss them on the rocks. Look, there's another one there. So also what I've learned with these, and probably many other succulents, they only grow within the depth of the pot. So what I mean is, if I keep them in a small tiny pot, they will stay small for the longest time ever. And if I put them in bigger pots, then they grow bigger. But look, here is another one. Look at how cute. So there's that. There's another one. There's a ton just growing everywhere. Let me show you some more of them. Right there. Let me see if I can zoom in, guys. There's that one. And that one. And there you go. They look so healthy, and yeah. So let me show you what they look like. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it might be California Sunset. I'm leaning towards that one because I've propagated that one a lot. First, I want to talk to you guys about my ghost plant. My ghost plant has been here for over 3 years. This one right here has been here for over 3 years. It gets all the rain, all the sun that Florida gives. Even was here during hurricane. So, and here it is. So obviously this is one that I love and should be in your collection. The other ghost plant I have, this is the main plant that I've propagated so many times, and I just continue. I even repotted it, and it's been such a giving plant, very prolific. And it changes color also depending on how much sun it gets. This one gets a good amount of morning light, and that's it. No afternoon sun. And then here's some California Sunset, but let me show you more. Here it is. This one is fairly new. It's not as old because I had a bunch of little succulents growing in here, and once summer was coming, before summer came, I took them out because I wasn't sure if they were going to make it with the sun, the afternoon sun that hits here. So I know California Sunsets can deal with that sun as long as they've been acclimated, and they do well. So this is my California Sunset. This has been here since spring. Now let's go to an older one here. This one is also really good. I think this is Golden Sedum, but these will outlive this one. So like the most I have is California Sunset, because it is such a strong succulent. It can deal with a lot of weather, and it's really beautiful. You can have it in different areas and enjoy the different colors that it gives you. So their colors can change by stressing them out with sun and withholding water. And here's the Sorrento. Right here you can see the difference in the Sorrento and the California Sunset. The Sorrento leaves are much rounder to me, and these are much pointier. Can you see the difference? Sorrento, California Sunset, this one. This one down here is a Sorrento. I don't know if you guys can really tell the difference. I can tell the difference just by just looking at them. So this one has been here also for about 3 years, and this one as well. So I want to talk to you about the different colors. So as you can see, this one has some really pretty colors going on. The colors are way more vibrant in this one. You see more orange, really pale green, and maybe even some pink in there. So right here there's an overhang. Let me show you. There's an overhang. So what that overhang does is kind of withholds some of the rain that comes, so it doesn't get as much water as that planter over there. So that's why this one here is much greener than that one. And then here I have some ghost plant as well. This is ghost plant. The reason it looks different is because it's staying small, because it's just a big grouping, and I've grown them in here from little pups. It's not like when you buy a big plant like those California Sunsets. They were already grown when I planted them there. Here, these were here, but in here in the middle I had shoved a bunch of baby ghost plants, and this is how they stayed. They won't get any bigger because they don't have the room for the roots to spread for it to get bigger. So these are definitely, in my opinion, must-have succulents. Easy to care for. Like I said, just make sure you have good drainage in your soil. You could use perlite, you could use pumice, you could use turfus, and just make sure you do a good mixture with. A lot of people use whatever soil they have. You know, I use Miracle-Gro, but that is the top 3 succulents in my opinion that you should have. Let me show you another California Sunset that I have that is my pride and joy. Guys, this is my California Sunset in this beautiful pink pot. And I used to have it on the other side, but when we moved the table here, it was just so pretty, the pot, that I decided to bring it over here. Look at this. You can still see that. Like I said, we've been getting a lot of rain here. So this one is not as orange as the one you saw that is under the overhang, because it doesn't get as much water, but still has really beautiful coloring. This is California Sunset. I see it all the time, almost any time of the year. At Home Depot, I see this one all the time. It is not a hard plant to find. If you do have a hard time finding it, I'm so sorry. So yep, that's what I wanted to share with you guys on this video. I wanted to share with you on how easy it is to propagate the leaves, and the color, and the endurance of the plant. Very strong succulent to have. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.